Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Car Review. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 Jeep Avenger, Jeep's first all-electric SUV that's making waves in the industry. If you're looking for a compact yet rugged electric SUV with off-road capabilities, modern tech, and a stylish design, you're in for a treat. The 2025 Jeep Avenger carries the brand's legendary DNA while embracing the future with an all-electric powertrain. It features Jeep's signature 7-slot grille, but with a modern twist, sleek LED headlights, a sculpted hood, and an aerodynamic design that balances toughness with efficiency. The compact dimensions make it perfect for city driving, while the high ground clearance and durable skid plates ensure it's ready for adventure. Under the hood, or should we say under the chassis, the Avenger is powered by a 54 kWh battery pack, delivering around 250 miles of range on a single charge. The electric motor produces 154 horsepower and 260 Nm of torque, providing instant acceleration and a smooth driving experience. With fast charging capabilities, you can go from 20% to 80% charge in just 30 minutes, making long trips more convenient. Inside, the Jeep Avenger doesn't disappoint. The cabin is modern, spacious, and packed with technology. A 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto give you everything at your fingertips. The premium upholstery, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof create a refined yet adventurous atmosphere. For practicality, the Avenger offers ample cargo space, foldable rear seats, and multiple storage compartments. Jeep has ensured that this SUV isn't just about performance, it's also about convenience and everyday usability. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Jeep Avenger is equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. It also features Jeep's Select Terrain system, allowing drivers to switch between different drive modes like snow, mud, and sand, ensuring confidence on any terrain. So, who is the 2025 Jeep Avenger for? If you want an electric SUV that's compact yet capable, efficient yet rugged, and packed with modern features, this is a solid option. Jeep has truly built an EV that stays true to its adventurous spirit while embracing the future of mobility. That's a wrap for today's review on the 2025 Jeep Avenger. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about Jeep's first all-electric sub? Is this your next ride? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to USA Car Review for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.